Hi everyone, just a quick tutorial on how to use the custom envelope feature in Structural 3D. So the custom envelopes can be assigned in Structural 3D using the load combinations menu here. So in this particular model, what we've got is we've just got a few different win cases. We've got some permanent loads and some live loads. So a few different combinations there, and we've assigned different criteria to them as well. So the custom envelope menu is accessed from this little envelope button here in the load combination menu. So if we click that, you'll see this is the custom envelope interface. So at the top here, we've got this drop down that allows us to choose from one of 3 envelopes that we want to apply. We can also assign a custom name to these. So that can be anything you want. And then here is where we choose our load combinations and cases to be considered. So we allow you to pick from any of your defined load combinations, load cases shown in green here, and then right down to your individual load groups as well. And you can see with our load combinations that the criteria that you assign passes through. And that's quite useful because we've got this quick select combination button here. So for example, if I wanted to choose just serviceability combinations, I can click that from here through the serviceability combinations only. And you'll see that all my serviceability cases are now selected, but everything else is unselected there. I can also swap that to strength only to pick all my strength cases. I've got invert selection, so I can invert the cases that I picked, select all or select none. And if you want to start afresh, we've also got this reset this envelope button at the bottom there. That will just remove the name and it will automatically activate all the load combinations, cases, and groups. So for this one, just for an example, I might make this strength case. And I will go strength combinations only. And we hit apply. We then get this prompt envelope 1 applied. Now I might make envelope 2. So we've got serviceability already assigned, but I might make that a serviceability wind check. So it's picked some permanent serviceability combinations here. I might deactivate those and keep it to these wind service cases here. And I'll switch off these as well. So I'll just leave it to these 6 here. We hit apply. So that says envelope number 2 applied. And envelope 3, we might just do service permanent. And what we'll do is we'll pick directly from just our load groups, so dead load as well as the self weight to be considered. And we could do some of these combinations here as well. So we can hit apply on that and we get envelope number 3 applied, and close that now. And if we now run that, so that'll all run. And we get our results. So we can access our envelopes just through this drop down at the top here. So by default, we will always have an envelope for min max and absolute max of every case. And then directly below that, we have our 3 custom envelopes. So we have our strength, our service wind, and our service permanent. And it'll give you a min, max, and absolute max for each 3 envelope. So just showing you a typical result for that, just off that. So that'll be considering all our strength cases, or we could go and look at our serviceability, permanent cases. So yeah, there's a nice feature to help you filter your results and check things specifically